Okay, today we're going to look at this Mazda oil filter, number 1WPE-14-302. And I bought this for $6.63 plus shipping at a Mazda dealership. But you could probably get it for cheaper somewhere near where you live. I've seen them all over the internet, Amazon, etc. So let's get started.
It's a set for, you gotta glue the silicone, be nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration anywhere here.
Okay, let's start with the box. Mazda Motor Corporation, made in Thailand. Let's open her up, see what she looks like. Date code MD12C05. Made in Thailand. And they have some instructions here. They actually give you a torque setting too. Tighten 12 to 16. Looks like Newton meters. Okay, they got it wrapped in this plastic. See 8 inlet holes. Looks like a metal core with holes. And it looks like a bypass valve down below. Has this, looks like an O-ring. It's got a little oil film on it. Oh yeah, that's right in there. I'm not even gonna bother taking that off. I think I need a knife to take this off. It fits right in a groove. Yeah, well, let's open this baby up and see what she looks like inside. Okay, here she is cut open, and she comes in at 163 grams. And I gotta say, this is the strangest oil filter I've ever seen. Check it out. Okay, check out the base plate. The base plate weighs 84 grams. And it's got a nice amount of threads. But there's no anti-drain back valve. Yeah, this base plate's nice though. It's got an O-ring. This O-ring ain't coming off. I didn't bother taking it off because it ain't coming off. So yeah, it doesn't stick out much, but it's probably good enough to seal. Okay, and see, there's no any drain back valve here. It's just open. The metal cord just comes right out. We'll weigh that. 10 grams. And this is what she looks like. There's no caps. There's a little plastic right here. It goes around here and inside here just a little bit. It's got like a lip right around here. And the seam is right in here. I marked it. It's right in there. And I counted 44 pleats. They're nicely spaced. And the other side is the same thing. Plastic here. See if I can get this. When I cut it open, I'll see if I can get it all apart and intact. I don't know. I don't know if I can. Never seen a filter like this before. Neat. That weighs 19 grams. I mean, the bypass valve. Another unique design. Strange shape to it. Yeah, if you look at this, well, it's got to go in there. See, it goes by there. I'd like to see this after it's been in an engine for about 5,000 miles. The dirt has to get trapped, I guess, way inside. You know, it's gonna come through here, and it's gonna miss that plastic and come through here. I don't know, it's a real unique design. And this can is pretty thick. Get the weight on it. 40 grams. Let me get the thickness. 0.7675 millimeters. Yeah, that's a little more than average. I can feel it too. Yeah, let's get I can get it this way. .9, almost 2 inches, 1.99. Get it this way. 2.35. Yeah, look at that. Comes right out. Either way. And this is pretty strong too. Well, it bends. It's got a seam right here. Well, I say I try to get this cut open somehow. I don't know how this is going to work, but it's the first time I'm doing one of these. And we'll stretch it out and see how long she is. Okay, here she is all stretched out. And she's 53.5 inches long. Alright, let's look at the filter media. And I cut a little piece out to measure. .89 millimeters. Yeah, that's what I was getting, about .89. .85. It's pretty thick. It looks like up close. Yeah, the filter media seems pretty good. I don't have no filtration numbers on this filter. I couldn't find any specs for this filter at all. Manufacturers don't seem to want to share their information on these oil filters. So what you see is what you get, folks. Let's look at the rest of the filter. So we got the base plate. It's all nice. No any drain back valve. Maybe somebody can shed some light on that knows about these Mazdas. I'm assuming that it's mounted this way, vertical mount, or the filters that this goes onto, the engines, maybe they have their own drain back valves. But you know, the core seems nice and holes. Get a good oil flow. This is okay. I don't know if this will bend, but I don't think so. Looks okay. What do you guys think about this filter? I would like to open one up that was used though, just to be kind of curious to see what it looks like. Hey, so I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching and take care.